Answer or die. Die. Hey, why is he still alive? But okay, whatever, let's give him a second chance. Answer or die. Well, you're not speaking. Die. No way you're alive. Answer or die, buddy. Don't be alive. He's not alive. Wait, what? This freeze should kill him. Answer or die. Oh no. I somehow messed up earlier, but this time I'm locked in. Answer or die, buddy boy. Die. Hi, easy, easy. I'm gonna crash out. He keeps using a totem of undying. But look at this knife. Buddy, this can kill you. Answer or die. I give you 1 more minute. Buddy, don't use a totem of undying. Bro, how are you still? Alivi.
Buddy, I got protection.
What do you mean? Huh? What the? Oh no.
Emocional, mas não vou me contar, sou um belo, vou viva a minha vida assim, pena forte visto casa, te dá dia, não dá,
Bem, 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 bem.
Jelly, 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 bem, 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 jelly. Ela desce, ela sobe, no baile é pressão. Mina linda, perigosa, rouba meu coração. Vai quicando, vai jogando, não perde a razão. No batidão, só